We know we have sacrificed a lot. Yesterday we were not here. By God's grace, tomorrow we will not be here. And we know let's wait for our representative. The leaders are aware that we are here. We are not here. FCT. In addition to that FCT can be well attended to, because one who knows the mercy of FCT cannot actually deserve representatives for among themselves, and that is why there is a bill today in this National Assembly do their work, that we keep Nigeria moving. We are peace-loving people. We can't hold this country to hostage, and that is why we are asking with a loud voice that don't allow us to protest again. This is our last protest. We don't want protest. When you are doing appointment, give FCT our slot. Just give us our slot, and you can't see us on the street. We are not street people. Just look at our beautiful faces of our ladies here. Just look at the...
I say now our land begins so we don't get another one. Now our land begins so we don't get another one. Now our land begins so we don't get another one. Now our land begins so. So they want to take a land, rent position, take everything. House. Is it possible? Will you allow it? If we allow it, our unborn children will curse us. Yes. We will not allow it. Yes. They cannot take all political positions. Take all our land and ask us to keep quiet. It's not possible. We are not here to fight anybody, but to take what belongs to us. Speaking your mind. Am I speaking your mind? Original inhabitant! Original inhabitant! Now we are insisting that Senate President must come and talk to us. Because the boy that took away our slot said it is the Senate President that gave him the appointment. Wow! Yes. The boy, Solomon Dodo, said it is Senate President that gave him our own slot. We must bring it back. As chairman. Yes. Benway as executive director. Benway as member of the board. The only one for FCT. They don't carry him again. Give Benway. Online, you go give. They kill all of us. But we will be here and let it be on record that people will not take everything away from us. It's not possible. I don't have any other state. Do you have another state? They are the original inhabitant in the FCT. We are here. The name Musa did not fall from heaven. The name of somebody's village. Yes. The name Betama did not fall from heaven. Just like you have Surulele. Yes. Just like you have Ojuolepa. Just like you have Toto in Lagos State. Yes. Just like you have Okene in Kogi State. Yes. These are villages of the original inhabitants of Lagos State. Yes. Here in FCT, there is no any name of a place that was not our village. So every name here means people were living there. That means they are original inhabitants. How then do you want to take everything and leave them with nothing? It's not possible. Why we are marginalized? We are peace-loving people, but we are saying enough is enough, and that is the reason why this country have a problem of insecurity because the federal government is not doing the right thing. What is supposed to be done to the youth is not given to them. That is why we are seeing a lot of group, we are seeing a lot of bandits today. Let's stop this act. Enough is enough. Give what belongs to FCT indigenes. We have suffered a lot. We have suffered a lot. To stop crime, it is enough. Let the right thing be done in FCT. You have taken our land, you have killed our people, you have marginalized us. Enough is enough. We are here.
All right. Thank you. The appointment of Solomon Adodo. And having said that, as an indigene, we believe that the president of this nation, he's doing a wonderful job for the FCT indigene because he has appointed one of us in the Federal Executive Council. Now, this appointment we're talking about is that we need somebody who knows the terrain of FCT. Like places we mentioned so far, Abaji, Kuje, Gogolada, Solomon Adodo don't have this knowledge. And if you don't have knowledge of a particular area, how do you govern the people? So we are actually here to tell the Senate, the lawmaker of Nigeria to revise the appointment before the screening. Thank you. My name is Ibrahim Umar Makeri, the youth leader FCT.
However, something just happened recently, about 2 weeks ago. Mr. President graciously approved the establishment of North Central Development Commission. And in the Commission Act, it stated clearly that states that form part of that commission should be members in the board of that commission. To our greatest dismay, just 2 weeks ago, appointments were out. And we saw all of the states that constitute the North Central states, about 7 states, including FCT, are duly represented in the board. But FCT representative is from Benue. Comrade Solomon Adodo is from Benue State, is not from FCT. Section 2 sub 1B of the Act stated clearly that there shall be an indigene of each state that constitutes where that commission is being established, which is the North Central. So it is expected that FCT indigene should represent the FCT people in the board. But to our greatest dismay, we saw Solomon Adodo representing FCT. And that is why we are here today at National Assembly to talk to them, to complain to them, and to tell them that we are not happy with this thing. National Assembly is our state house of assembly. They make law for the people of FCT. And they should listen to us and take this matter to appropriate authority so that the needful can be done by changing the name of Solomon Adodo and replacing it with an indigenous person of the FCT.
As you can see, the 9 indigenous tribes has been marginalized from the North Central Development Commission, which the Act states that an indigene of FCT should be nominated into the board and ED position, which has not been done. Only God knows why, but we are here to tell the government of the day. The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, we know him to be the president and lover of peace, justice, equity for all Nigerians. I'm very sure he's not aware of this gross marginalization that has been minuted on FCT natives. Because as far as I'm concerned, he loves us. For the first time, we have a representative in the Federal Executive Council, which is the highest decision-making body of the land. For the first time since the return to democracy, an FCT native is seated in that council, which we appreciate him for that. So for the North Central Development Commission, where the seat of government is, and the host of the federal government.
I am here for the purpose of nominating Adodo for the FCT people, which we are not happy with it. We are not happy with it because he is not from here. He doesn't know where our rooms are leaking. So for that, we are here to say the president and the Senate president for nominating this one, they should come to our help so that they will change this person to the rightful person because they will better do best for us.
The complaint of the FCT youth is that, as you are aware, the federal government, via an act of National Assembly, has come up with the North Central Development Commission. This commission is expected to look at the problem, challenges of development and all kind of problem bedeviling the region. And in the North Central, there are about 7 states, including the FCT, which include the Benue, Nasarawa, Plateau, Kogi, Kwara, Niger, and Federal Capital Territory. The act that established the commission has says that the board members should cut across the state, including the FCT. But the nomination awaiting the ratification of the National Assembly has the 6 states represented with the exclusion of FCT. If you go through the list, you will notice that Benue as a state has about 4 representatives from the state, with one Solomon Adodo of Benue State representing the FCT. The people of FCT, having National Assembly as their own state assembly, have decided to gather here to speak to the leadership of the assembly that they should convey our message to the National Assembly, to the federal government, and all authority concerned that FCT is not represented in the North Central Development Commission. 2, that Adodo is alien and knows nothing about the plight of the people of FCT. Therefore, his representation is just an addition to the people of Benue State and not a representative of the FCT. We are here to ask for justice, for fairness, for equitable representation, for Mr. President. Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu has demonstrated in his appointment into the Federal Executive Council that he is an egalitarian leader who wants to carry all the state of the Federation along, as it is contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria that FCT shall be treated as a state of the Federation. By appointing one of us, Right Honorable Zafania Gisalo, to the Federal Executive Council as Federal Minister. So, if that can be done at that level of governance, then we are more deserving of representation in the North Central Development Commission. And FCT being the most sensitive, most strategic position territory in the North Central.
In addition to that FCT can be well attended to, because one who knows nothing of FCT cannot actually deserve representatives from among themselves, and that is why there is a bill today in this National Assembly to exclusion. We are here to say no to non-representation of the people of FCT. Bola Ahmed Tinubu as an egalitarian